There's going to be a discount link in the description for this product on Amazon. It's going to be good until October 24th, 2020, and it's going to be 10% off. So if you're looking to buy one of these, take advantage of it. Let's get back to the video. Welcome back to Be Empowered. Today we're going to be installing this OEDRO Tonneau cover on my 2008 Chevy Silverado. I want to thank Yentatech for sending this over because we're going to do an install video for you. Let's get right into it. All right, we're going to open the box up, see what's in the box, and get started. Let's get at it. Weather stripping instructions. Ooh, man, this thing is already, what? It's already fully assembled. You just need to, it's even got a light. Sweet. All right, let's get this thing out. Take a look at it. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and drop us a like and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Also, 90% of everybody watching these videos on our channel are not subscribed. So what are you waiting for? The material it's made out of it's real thick, real nice and heavy duty. Looks like it's rubberized on the inside. It's really nice. I like it. All right, the frame is actually pretty heavy. It feels like aluminum, which is fine, makes it a little lighter, but it's pretty sturdy. On the outside, it's got some nice weather stripping. All right, so now let's start putting this thing together. We'll have to just adjust it out a little bit to make sure that everything fits properly, clamp it down, and it'll be a quick install. Let's see how long it takes. All right, it looks like you just clamp it down on your bed rails and you have a trifold tonneau cover. So let's get right into it and start installing this sucker. If you look right here, you have these three different latch points here. And what will happen is this will actually go underneath the lip on the bed right here. And then you just screw this in, clamp it down. And so depending on how wide your bed is, you have different points. And so you just adjust it to where you need it and then clamp it down. So that's pretty much it. It's gonna go right on. Perfect. That looks good. All right, now that we have it in place, I'm gonna do the front clamps and then we'll start moving it back. So that's it. Simple. I can see the weather stripping compressing and making that tight seal. All right, we got the front clamps done. Now we're just gonna start folding it over. Whenever you unfold it, it's gonna stick up like this. That's on purpose because it needs to be taut and straight. So whenever you go to push it down, you can see how it's tight. So this is what it's supposed to be like. On the inside, you have these, which are the clamps, just like the other side. However, these are more just like a flip style, so that way whenever you wanna fold it back, you just pop these loose, take it out from the rail, the bed rail, and then fold it over. So it's super easy. So let's get that installed and then we'll do the weather stripping. Let's see this up. There we go. Now, if you do not have a bed liner or rhino liner in your truck, you want to use these. These are little rubber protectors that will go on your truck paint. So that way, whenever you put the actual latch on there, it won't damage your paint. So you want to put these on. Now, I have a rhino liner, so I'm not going to use these, but you would if you don't. It also comes with an extra bag of latch hooks. You'll only use these if you break your other ones, and I mean, they don't look like they'll break, so just got an extra set just in case, you never know. You also got the weather stripping, which we're going to install now, and you got a touch light. I don't have a light in my truck bed, so this will come in handy. So we're just going to pick a spot on the inside of the truck, somewhere we can reach, and hopefully it'll stick because I have the rhino liner. But oh, we got to put batteries in it, and it just pops right off. We installed a little light, put some batteries in it. Now the weather stripping. If you have a gap right here, you put the weather stripping. As you can see, there's no gap. So we're not gonna use weather stripping, but that's the time you would use it if you have a gap. So we're pretty much done with the installation. Now I wanna show you how, after you have it installed, if you want to fold it up, how it works. First thing you're gonna do, release your latch on both sides. We're gonna fold it once. Make sure your latches are down. Fold it again. You have latches, straps on either side. You just hook them in, tighten it down, and we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Same thing for this side. And you're done. That's it, easy. Like less than 30 minutes to install this thing, start to finish. Can't ask for more than that. Super simple, looks great. Pretty good product as far as I'm concerned. I don't have any complaints at all with this. Love it. So let's get a good look of the way it looks all around. Let's try that. Whenever you get it installed, even after you stretch it out, you may see a few wrinkles, you know, in the, I mean, for all intents and purposes, it looks like leather, so it has to stretch out. So if you have it out in the sun for a little while, all those wrinkles will kind of even out and stretch out, and it'll look great. I am extremely satisfied with this. I mean, you have your frame right here, and in the joints, there are some pieces of weather stripping. This is a word of advice, whenever you're folding it down, make sure that you kind of lift it up and fold it down so that weather stripping doesn't get pinched. There's weather stripping right in here. And if you get it pinched, it won't be even and it could let water through. So make sure that you have it flat all the way across to make sure that that's that watertight seal. Other than that, great product, love it. And I'm so glad to have this on my truck. I've been needing one for a long time. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. We hope you like the content. We appreciate Intotech sending us over the tonneau cover. I really like it. We are not getting paid to do this, so if this is an honest review, really like the product. The only thing, again, that we can say is about the weather stripping, just to make sure that it's straight all the way across. That way you have a weather tight seal. But that's gonna do it. We really appreciate you being with us today. And with that said, God bless you, God bless America. Be empowered, out.